Homes were down this week, but purchase contracts were up 4.6% from last week despite the snowstorm. It's Friday, January 26, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is your weekly Maryland Market Minute. Activity was slow in all counties, but incoming inventory activity was good. 693 homes are coming soon. 1,164 homes hit the market. 565 went under contract. 693 moved to pending. 717 sold at 100% list-to-sold ratio and under contract in 20 days. The highest priced home to sell was in Easton for $3,975,000. There are 2,388 rentals available priced at $23.50 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, January 26, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and I will see you next week.